Hi, little adventurers. Welcome to Animal Kingdom Adventures. Today we're slowing things down, like really slowing down. We're meeting an animal that loves to hang out in the trees and take things nice and easy. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's Sammy the Sloth. Look at Sammy. He might be the slowest animal in the jungle, but he's one cool and chill dude. Let's find out why Sammy likes to take his time.
Hey friends, I'm Sammy and I may be slow, but I'm really good at hanging out. Literally, I spend most of my time up here in the trees.
That's right, Sammy. Sloths spend almost their entire lives in trees and they're great climbers, but they don't move fast. Sammy's top speed is only about 2 meters per minute. Wow, that's really slow. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that sloths only come down from their trees once a week to go to the bathroom? They're super good at conserving energy and they sleep up to 20 hours a day. Talk about a lazy life.
Yep, I love to nap. Sleeping helps me save energy so I can stay comfy and cozy in my tree.
Let's groove with Sammy in our new song. Slow and steady wins the day. Move along to the beat nice and slow, just like Sammy.
Slow and steady, take your time. Sammy's moving, feeling fine. Hanging out up in the trees, swinging slowly in the breeze. Slow and steady, that's the way. Sammy's napping through the day. Relax and breathe, enjoy the view. Sammy's world is calm and cool. Slow and steady, that's the way. Sammy's napping through the day. Relax and breathe, enjoy the view. Sammy's world is calm and cool. Slow and steady, take your time. Sammy's moving, feeling fine. Hanging out up in the trees, swinging slowly in the breeze. Slow and steady, that's the way. Sammy's napping through the day. Relax and breathe, enjoy the view. Sammy's world is calm and cool. Slow and steady, take your time. Sammy's moving, feeling fine. Hanging out up in the trees, swinging slowly in the breeze.
Sloths like Sammy are herbivores, which means they eat only plants like leaves and fruits. And even though they don't move fast, they've got great grip strength. Sammy can hang upside down for hours without getting tired.
I love munching on tasty leaves and just hanging out. Life's better when you take it slow.
Time for a game. Can you guess which of these animals is the slowest?
Of course, it's Sammy the Sloths.
That's right, it's Sammy. Sloths are the slowest animals in the jungle, but that's what makes them so special. That's all for today's adventure, little explorers. We learned all about Sammy the Sloth and why being slow isn't a bad thing. Sammy takes his time, loves to nap, and hangs out in the trees all day long. He shows us that sometimes it's good to slow down and enjoy the moment.
Goodbye, friends. Remember, slow and steady wins the day.
Did you have fun learning with Sammy today? If you want more animal adventures, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new episode. We've got so many more awesome animals to meet, and I can't wait to share them with you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious, little adventurers. Bye-bye.